In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access System and Updates. Then click on Simple Mode and hit Enable to switch it on. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, select Settings again, but this time click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!